Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Though the protest might be unpopular, especially with the way and manner it is carried out in some states across the country, the message is clear and the demands are genuine. None of us can deny the fact that there is no hunger and there is general poverty in the land. This has been made worse by the harsh economic realities, a deficit policy direction and insensitivity of the national government to engage the citizens civilly. As leaders of the people, we must at all times not only listen but act. The lesson we must derive from the protest is the constant reminder that it is not enough to tell the citizens we have heard. It must be seen as doing the needful in providing solutions to citizens' concern. Some of the demands of the protesters, as genuine as they are microeconomic policies issues that can only be addressed by the national government. This is the reality of our federal structure and constitution. We shall work with you to make sure that the demands are attended to. The president is a listening president, and I believe he can equally hear us loud and clear. Fellow citizens, protest is a constitutional right of citizens and a wake-up call to the government. We thank you most sincerely for this call to duty. For those who came out to protest, I thank you for doing so within the bounds of the law. For those who did not come out, and indeed those who are in the majority, I thank you so much for sending your message louder than those who came out.